Does your operation see high amounts of water? Do you perform water washdowns as part of your routine? Are you constantly re-greasing machinery or leaving equipment unprotected due to grease being washed away? When looking for grease that can combat the effects of water spray-off, one important data point to consider is the ASTM D4049 water spray-off percent loss test. This test measures the percentage of grease that will be lost during water spray-off. Here is what the test looks like in the lab. First, we weigh a steel plate. Then, we apply a uniform layer of grease on the plate, smoothing the grease to remove air bubbles and removing any excess grease. We weigh the plate again to establish the control weight. Next, the plate is put into the water spray-off chamber. Water is sprayed over the plate at 40 psi for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes in the spray-off chamber, the plate is removed, and any grease that has been sprayed off the designated area is removed. The plates are placed into an oven to evaporate any water that might be remaining on the plate. Finally, when all of the water has been removed, the plate is weighed for a final time to calculate the percentage of grease lost during water spray-off. Several of LE's high-performance greases have been designed to tenaciously fight the effects of water spray-off by adhering to metal, resisting water, and staying in the contact zone. In order to meet the needs of the application, these greases are formulated with proprietary additives that provide cohesion, tackiness, and water resistance. Unlike the LE greases, several of the competitive greases do not stand up to the water spray-off test. Imagine how they would hold up in your industrial application. To find the water spray-off test results for any LE grease, just look on the back of that product's flyer. If you need a technical recommendation about your application, please contact LE for assistance. We can provide information about greases that will combat water spray-off, extend re-greasing intervals, and improve your machine's overall reliability.